Hi everyone, this is Christian from zensmokealarms.com.au based in New Farm, Brisbane. We are Australia's interconnected photoelectric smoke alarm experts. A question we're commonly asked is, how can you tell if your smoke alarms are the photoelectric type? Well, as per the Australian standard, that information must be printed on the back of the smoke alarm itself. This is our Zen smoke alarms. Have a look right across the top. Interconnectable photoelectric smoke alarm type A. Type A just means that it's photoelectric. If it was type B, it would be the older style ionisation smoke alarm. Another way to tell, looking on the back of your smoke alarm, if it had a radioactive symbol on it, that means it's the older style ionisation smoke alarm. And if it has that symbol, it's certainly time to upgrade to new ZEN photoelectric smoke alarms. They are the type preferred by fire authorities right across Australia.